Science fans, we're back
with another video.
We're back with another video from the Slime Lab by
Gal.
And this one is called Gummy Bug. Right? So let's see what we need.
Wait, we have some big news first.
Oh.
Sheldon has a new look.
Ah.
He's a proper egg now.
Okay.
He's all grown up.
So let's put Sheldon to one side a minute. Okay, so what we need from the kit is the bug mould. Okay. The yellow gummy bug powder and pot.
Yellow gummy bug powder and pot. Here we go.
So this one says gummy bug powder. You need 2 wiggly eyes.
Wiggly eyes? I thought they were called googly eyes.
No, it says wiggly. And some more water, which we've got from the tap. And it does say, warning, this experiment can get very messy.
And we need a pipette.
Oh yeah, and the pipette, sorry. So protect your work area with old newspaper, which I also have here. So let's put some of that out here. Is that going to be enough?
Yes.
Okay, right. So what you need to do, place the bug mould on your work surface. Well, I wouldn't put it there. Put it on a flat bit. Place 2 wiggly eyes upside down in the mould.
Should I put them?
Well, I think there is like an eye area.
Oh wait, hold them. They're going like this, okay?
Okay, cool. I mean, you could always use the end of the pipette to poke them in.
Yes. No, I think they're in the right
You think they're
area.
good? Okay.
What do you think?
Very good. Right, now it says pour the bag of gummy bug powder into the mould.
Can I do it?
Yeah. Make sure it is evenly spaced and fills the mould. So I shall give it a little bit of a
Tippy
tap.
tap tap.
It says do not eat or swallow.
Okay.
Now I might need scissors.
Shall I grab you some?
Don't use your teeth at home, kids.
Yeah.
Right. There you go. So
You pour it.
that's going to go everywhere. So gently pour it into the mould. There we
Make
go.
sure it's even.
That's it.
Can we use the pipette to spread it out?
You could, or you could just tap it around.
Yeah. Too much. Too much bug powder. Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Let me.
No. Right. There we go.
That's fine.
So it's spread evenly and fills the mould. Now it says fill the gummy pot with warm water, but we've already put it in a beaker, so I don't think we need to do that.
Wow.
And then use the pipette to transfer warm water into the mould. Take care not to overfill it.
Okay, I'll try. 1 pipette at a time.
Oh, yes.
Okay, shall I carefully?
Woo. So squirt it in.
Like gel now.
That's it. Keep going.
Wow.
Right. Keep going. Put some more in.
Okay. Shall I do it until all the top is orange?
Well, until it's all soaked through, I think. I think you can go a bit faster than that.
Okay.
So we're going to leave this to dry nice and fast. Don't know how long it's going to take. But when it's dry, we'll come back and show you the results.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Okay, we let the bug set for a bit.
Yeah, so I think it's been about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. So now it is a mess.
Yeah.
It's like...
Who's gonna pop it out?
So
You're gonna pop
I'm
it
going to do it,
out.
am I? So it says when completely dry, turn over the mould and carefully push out your gummy
I
bug.
have a feeling this isn't gonna go well. Oh! Wait, it's going better than I thought. Oh! Oh, I want to see him!
It's not as much of an epic fail as I thought it might be.
Can I feel it? Oh!
So you can
But
see
he's gummy-ish!
where the powder didn't quite get, but it's kind of
He's
given him
okay.
quite a
Cool effect.
lifelike effect.
Wait, can I feel it? Oh, it smells! Smell it, Mum.
So
Smell?
no, I don't think it smells too bad.
It smells!
Oh yeah, it does smell a bit like socks.
It smells like stinky socks.
Yeah, okay. So, do you want to know the science?
Yes, let me hold him. Oh, he's cute.
So the powder that we used, remember?
Yes.
Contained gelatine.
Gelatin.
Yeah.
Let me hold him.
Which is a natural polymer.
Can I hold him?
A bit like guar gum, which we've had in slime, right? Or an edible jelly also has gelatine in.
But this is not.
That isn't, no.
Why isn't this edible though?
So your gummy bub acts like a solid when it's dry. So you can't pour it or make it change its shape. It's now a solid, right?
Yes. Well, pretty much a solid.
And
Mum, you're squishing it.
I know, and it'll just keep drying out, and eventually it'll get hard, right?
Yes.
So, what can you think of that has got the same kind of gumminess?
I don't know.
Tastes yummy.
Gummies?
Gummy sweets, yeah. But that is not a sweet,
No.
so do not eat it. Although, if it was, it would be a nice big one.
Yeah. It would
Do
be
not
orange
eat.
flavour. Or stinky sock flavour.
But it does say in the instructions, your gummy bug is not for eating, no matter how tasty it looks. Okay, so don't eat it, kids.
And it smells like stinky socks.
So I think if we were to do this again, I think we should have put the water in faster, right? Because there are some bits that didn't get water, so
I
it's
feel
not
like he's gonna
completely
break.
gone through. But you know, generally he's buggish.
He's better than the other molds.
Well, our other bug was a mega epic fail. So anyway, so that's the gummy bug experiment. So how would you score it?
I'm gonna score him 6.5.
6.5? Okay, yeah, I was thinking 6.
Let me tell you why
Go on
6.5. Because A, he smells revolting. Actually, I'm gonna move it to a 6. So he smells revolting.
Oh yeah, it is properly nasty. Yeah.
You can't really play with him.
No, it's a bit sort of
And
bitty.
it breaks.
Yeah.
And
okay.
it gets everywhere.
And it was difficult to get the water in. And the instructions do say, use the pipette to transfer the warm water into the mould. So it is slow, but I think it should have been a bit faster. So maybe we'd have been better pouring it from the beaker.
Yeah.
But anyway, so we're going to give it a 6. Okay. So there we go, science fans. That was the gummy.
Moisting!
That was the gummy bug experiment. We're giving it a 6. It's definitely got a mess warning because we're covered in gloop.
Stuff.
But we'll see you next time. So don't forget to go and check out our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie and the Bug.
Ellie and the Bug. And don't forget to
like and subscribe because Sheldon says to.
And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.